Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer calendar events from Google Calendar to Outlook. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by signing into your Google Calendar account on your preferred web browser. Locate the gear icon in the upper right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left side, find and click on Import and Export. Scroll down to the Export section. Click on the Export button to download your calendar data as a zip file. After the download is complete, locate the zip file on your computer. Extract the contents of the zip file. You will find one or more ICS files, which are your calendar events. Now, open Outlook on your computer. In Outlook, navigate to the Calendar section. Look for the File tab in the top left corner and click on it. Select Open and Export from the menu. Next, choose Import Export. In the Import and Export wizard, select Import an iCalendar.ics or vCalendarFile.vcs and click Next. Browse to the location of the extracted ICS file. Select the file and click OK. You will be prompted to choose whether to import it as a new calendar or to merge it with your existing calendar. Choose your preferred option and click Import. Wait for the import process to complete. Once done, your Google Calendar events will now appear in Outlook. Check your calendar to ensure all events have been transferred successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.